Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another tournament video. It is July 16th. We are at the OKBT, Ontario Kayak Bass Trail's third event of the year on the Bay of Quinte. Longest 5 bass for the day, 12-inch minimum. We're going to be fishing from 6 a.m. till 3 p.m. today. We were out pre-fishing on Thursday and Friday. And it was not overly productive. It's tough fishing, at least for me it was. Didn't really figure much out, except for yesterday near the end of my day. I came upon a spot where we're going to be starting today. If it doesn't pan out, it's anybody's guess where I'm going to end up. So we're definitely going to milk this area for quite a while. Yesterday I could only really catch them on a drop shot or a Senko, so hopefully we can get them on something else today. I'm going to be starting with some top water just to see if they're in the mood to chase. I'm actually not sure how many anglers are entered in this one. Last time I checked a day or two ago, we were sitting around 90 anglers. So pretty good showing, not as much as St. Clair, but still a good showing. Last couple tournaments, people crushed it. In the mid to high 90s was the winning bags. I'm gonna predict you're gonna probably need about 93 inches to kind of have a chance, but who knows, you might need 95, 96 like the last couple tournaments, but I think 93 is a fair bet because chances are someone's gonna get into them. And before we get into things here, I'll take you guys over to the pre-fish days and show you what went on there. It wasn't much, but we did catch a few, a couple small ones, and a really big something. So we'll show you the pre-fish, and you can find out what that big something was. Oh, I got one. Looks like a good one. I don't even know if it's a bass. It's a bass, it's a giant. Come on, what are you? Gotta be a catfish or something. There's no way this is a bass. Man, that is large. Oh my goodness. I've never caught a catfish this big before. I don't know how to hold a freaking catfish. Look at the size of that thing. Holy smokes. It's huge. Okay, bye, bud. Oh, definitely not what I was looking for, but that was a fight. Well, first largemouth of the day, just a small one, 10 or 11 inches, but at least it's something. It's probably 12 inches. First keeper. Small one, but it's a fish. 2 small ones, at least caught a couple fish anyways. But the grind continues. This one's smaller. Little guy. Actually got a good one. Yeah, baby. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's a good one. Yeah, buddy. That's probably 16, 17. 17 and a quarter. That's the kind we need tomorrow. More of you around here? Yeah. Let's see. I guess the camera wasn't recording that one, but we got another one. Not as big as the last one, but another solid. It's probably 14. Finally getting some fish. It's good stuff. It's about 5:45, so we're just sitting on our first spot here waiting for first cast. So I'm just gonna bob around here for a bit, and in a bit here we'll get going and hopefully we can have a good day. All right, everyone, 6 o'clock. Here we go. I think that's a keeper. Come right at me. Oh no, it's not. 10 3/4. At least it's a fish. Small. $10 3/4. It's like the exact same fish. At least I'm getting bites. It's always nice to get bites, but I need them to get considerably larger. No! Oh, that was a big one. Oh my god, it's a fish. Oh my god, that was a fish the whole time. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh man. There's 2 big ones I lost. Oh my god. Another small one. Tiny. Holy crap, bird. What? I needed that fish. Come back here with that. Oh, that pulled back. Please stay on. No, stay on. Oh, smallmouth. Shoot. Finally, 15 1/4. Thank you, sir. I am so glad I landed that fish. That's a keeper. Shoot. Number 2. Camera turned off on its own, but number 3, 13-incher. So guys, kind of a late day update. It's about 1 o'clock. Still only have the 3 keepers. I honestly don't know what to do or where to go right now. I'm just gonna head back in the direction of the ramp and just wing it and fish what looks good. Did about an hour ago. I was sitting in around 40th, I think, with 3 fish. And at that time, it's probably changed, but at that time, all you needed was like 81 inches to get into the top 5. So it's definitely a slow day, tough day, but we still got a couple hours. I mean, you never know. We could run into a couple to fill out our limit. That would be really nice, but so we're just gonna wing it, and we're gonna go search mode and see what we can find. I don't think he's gonna make the cut. So everyone, that's gonna do it for another tournament. Tough day. We only ended up with the 3 keepers. Unfortunately, we missed those 2. And really not much else after that. From the people, the other anglers I spoke to, a lot of people were saying it was slow, it was tough, so I wish we could have got our limit today, but obviously that didn't happen. But I guess any day is a good day at fishing. I've been kind of drifting back towards the ramp, so we're gonna get a head in and get packed up, and I'll talk to you guys later.